What if there was two videos in one single day? Would you unsubscribe to the channel, baby? Checking on this Bitcoin. What will it do next? Let's take a look at it right now. Oh, that song's still in my head. Let's go over here because my friend Ridge, wanted to know. He's like, hey, great video. Will we see an update on Bitcoin position? I should have put together a update for the previous video, but this is what we're looking at. Now, I shouldn't say we. This is what I'm looking at regarding Bitcoin at this very moment, and that is, I think it's going to find its way down to, let's say 61. Probably 61.5 to 61. Do I still remember how to put? The thing about my mind these days is because I spent so many years learning and studying things regarding real estate, small business, accounting, investments, etc. And I read every personal development book known to mankind. For some reason, I just don't have any room left up there. So it's just full. A lot of it is just useless sports statistics, etc. Where was the one? I can't see because of my head. I can't see because of your head. It's big and it's in the way. Let's look for the rectangle, baby. All right, I'll find it. Do it off air. Then we'll revisit it again tomorrow. But this is what I look like. This is what it looks like. So I think that we're going to we might, bloop, bloop. If we take another move up immediately, and this is just near term, could be playing out as soon as tomorrow or the next day. So that'd be Thursday or Friday. And overnight, because of course Bitcoin changes 24/7. So unless something goes on as a catalyst, political news, etc., if we're just going to play it straight through now through Friday, I think the move is downtown to Chinatown between 61.5 and 61. I think so. I'm going to put a little box in there. Put a little box in there off air, and then from there we'll see where we can go above that. But like for now, I don't think you're any immediate 63.5 might be the limit of where we're going at this very second between now and tomorrow morning, but I think it's going to be meandering its way down here. 61.5 to 61, according to the waves. This is old hat that's still on here now, but look how we predicted those almost brilliantly as far as this wave pattern. Did we make it to 65? We didn't, but look how close. We didn't make it there. But again, I put a straight line up. You can't do that. But if we moved it over, baby, then where did we hit? I know it wasn't exactly 65. It was like 64.9? 64. Yeah, like 64.7. So we didn't get to 65 as we were looking to get to. So now I think we're just going to make a little downtown to Chinatown between 61 and 61.5. That is the current Bitcoin outlook, but this is short term. I still feel this year has 80 plus written all over it, maybe 100. I should, what I'll do after I get off the air here. Did you call it the air? Well, I am old. I'm an elder statesman. I'll put together what I think looks like the big picture heading between 80 and 100, probably before this year is over. Now, recap from this morning, we ended up getting a lower low here. I didn't want to see that, but we got it, and then we immediately rallied. So do we move this 4 down just a little bit? Probably. But it hasn't validated my current thesis, which is get up here, get on up. But tomorrow could easily do that. Silver contracts roll tomorrow, so that could create some volatility. I looked like over the last 10 rolls of the silver contracts, and it was mixed to maybe leaning down, immediately during and after a silver roll contract. But I'm still looking at 32.50. I'm going to keep that there. I did Let's look at AGQ. AGQ currently at 42.30, so that isn't great. I think that's exactly where my average position is for today, because I've got 3,000 on the board that I've been tracking separately from the 5,000 that I added today, 5,000 shares. So we'll look at that in just a moment. SPX also has not, got a little life, got a little baby life. It has not done what I thought it would do today thus far, but I'm usually early to enter and early to exit. Well, yeah, as long as we're trying to catch some action in between, then you can't call the tops and bottoms. I'm going to stick around in my UPRO position for now, but let's take a look at what else I added since we talked. So I think you saw probably through here, maybe through here. Anyways, so if you just saw through here, then I did add 2,000 more shares of AGQ from this morning, 1,000 at 42.27, and I did catch 1,000 at 41.84. But on the 5,000 shares I purchased today, the average is 42.30, which is exactly what we looked at just now. And currently 42.26. So we're below that average, but I'm still feeling pretty good about silver, and AGQ is a 2 times leveraged bull on the silver. I did run up with another 50 contracts of SLV leaps, went with the same strike price of 26, and that is expiring in January of 26. Spent $32,501 on that. And then I did add 250 more shares of UPRO. That is a 3 times bull on the S&P 500, 250 shares at 84.47. And UPRO is currently at, where are you at? I know you are here. Let's scroll up. 84.38. Whoa. Wow, wow, wow. All right. But I'm going to give it a little bit time to breathe. Still got the fairly tight stop on it. I think I talked about 84.50 earlier today, but I do have it at 84.25. I may even lower it just a bit to let it play out, because the nighttime traders can come in and monkey around with everything like they normally do. But that is a little bit of the update, including that Bitcoin. Probably not what you wanted to hear, but this is near term. Okay. Long term, throughout the rest of the year, feeling pretty bullish on the Bitcoin. So that's what we got. Thanks for tuning in. Short little update, and I'll be back again tomorrow. Like, subscribe, comment, share with a lovable friend, and I'll see you in the next video.